Let me tell you about a detail that nobody noticed in the movie How to Train Your Dragon. If you pay attention, you can notice a detail about Hiccup's face in the movie. In the first movie, there's a small scratch on Hiccup's chin. Although this scratch is minor, it's a detail that deserves appreciation, because in the second movie, when we see Hiccup's childhood memories, we learn that this scratch was caused by a dragon clawing his face. It's amazing that they didn't overlook such a small detail. If you like this detail, there's another beautiful one about Astrid and Hiccup's marriage in the third movie. During their wedding, if you look closely at the symbols on the couple's shoulders, you'll notice that these symbols are actually there to honor the dragons. The symbol on Hiccup represents Toothless, while the one on Astrid represents Stormfly. It's truly wonderful to see such heartfelt details with deep emotional meaning.